So coming into Gbpusd for the new week, we can see that last week we had a bullish candle closure, which more or less shows that we have buyers in the market as opposed to sellers. Okay. Now breaking that down on the daily time frame, obviously I'm getting to that, but looking at where price is, because I keep saying repeating as well, it's not about type of candle, about where the candle forms. So seeing how we came into this resistance of 1.33750, an area that the weekly has rejected to before, and we saw a massive drop. Okay, as you can see the drop from that area, very massive. We're back into that area now, and we're seeing one, two, three. Now if you look closely at this, we can see that we had our first. So if you look closely at this, we have. I'll have to zoom in there. Okay. So looking at this, we have a high, we had a higher high, and now we have the lower high. Though we are still very much bullish on this pair because of the way the weekly candle closed. Okay. I'm just going to leave it. So we're still very much bullish because of the way the weekly candle closed. Okay. Right now. So one thing I always tell people to look out for is the lows of the weekly. Okay. So what are the lows of the weekly candle here? With this low marked out, if price trades below this region, okay, we're looking to sell. Okay, so breaking it down on the daily time frame as well, seeing how, and this is very important, seeing how we had the low of the last bullish candle on the daily time frame, and also the low of the last, sorry, we had the low of the last bullish candle matching the low of the bullish weekly candle. So this zone is a very important zone in the sense that it's the make or break point of this pair right now. Now, I'm not saying we could not see price push to the upside. We could of course see price push to the upside. But seeing the pattern form, okay, I was trying to show you guys lower high and another lower high. So this here is kind of a reversal pattern that everybody knows and everybody looks forward to trading most of the time. So what I could look out for on this pair, okay, is one of two things. Seeing how, okay, now if price trades below the lows of this area here, I'll look for a retracement and then push to the downside. Okay, that's one scenario. But if the weekly bullish momentum looks to continue, okay, and obviously, yes, we have a reversal pattern, but that doesn't mean we could see that reversal. We always have to wait for that confirmation to show us that the market is going to move. So this is one of the confirmations I'll be waiting out for. A closure below the lows of the bullish candle on the weekly and the daily, okay, and below 132,500. And then we test back into that. Maybe then from there we can start taking shots. If not, on the long position, if the market continues this move above these highs and I see price trade above 133,750, then I'll be looking for the retracement and then price pushing back to the upside, maybe into 135 or even higher, 137,500. So guys, that's just a quick breakdown of GPUs if coming into the early parts of this week, and let's see how it plays out. I'll check out with you guys later.